are at Water Country. It's a little rainy today, so I'm not sure how long we're gonna be able to stay, but the weather's good. It's not hot at all, really. It feels pretty good outside. So hopefully we'll be able to stay a little bit. The weather, hopefully will give the kids a little bit more playtime since it's not so crazy hot out. We'll see. About to go in. Catch you in a sec. Y'all, Waylon's teasing me because I cut my foot and I'm worried I'm gonna pass out.
She's a baby.
I'm not a baby. I don't like blood. So, you know, if y'all see me go down in this video, just, you know, it's okay. I'm gonna survive.
Just laugh.
Don't laugh. I'm gonna be fine. I think. I'm so excited. So we were just talking, saying how this is a really good place to bring like a cooler and stuff and leave out in your car. Come in and have a good time, and then after you have your good time, half the day or whenever everybody gets hungry, go out to the car and eat pizza. We saw a lot of people doing that today. We're just coming in though. Alright guys, so here it's a little bit different with the Disability Access Pass. You go to it's called the main gate window. You go there and you get 3 passes. So you have to know the ride that you want to get on, but they do have like a listing of rides there, and she can kind of help you because she helped me go through. But you can see which ones you want to do. You get your 3 passes. Once your 3 passes are done, then you have to go to the inside booth and then get 3 additional passes. And I'll put a little clip in which window I'm talking about, and I'll try to do the same thing in the inside so you'll know. But it's 3 at a time, and it does qualify for your child or family member plus the additional, I think it's up to 4 people, she said, so it works that way. And I'll show you kind of how it works out when we get in. So this is the building right here that we went to.
Hello, it is me.
Sophie. Alright, so the way this works is they get to go through the queue line for the pass. That way they don't have to wait as long opposed to waiting in the longer line. We tried to see if this kid go ahead and vlog going down, but unless there's time to hand sign, unfortunately we didn't register it with us. But I did want to at least show you how it works. Is that done? There we go. Where's Kalina?
They would only let 2 or 4 on. That's it.
Really? Oh, I
Yeah.
guess maybe the weight shift or something?
I'm going to tell you what.
Was it fun? The colossal pearl. You gotta have either 2 or 4 people. You can't just you can have 3 people. Nice to be an even number. I'm guessing because of the weight shift is what I was doing this. We can hear Kalina screaming from all the way down here, so we knew she was coming. There she is. We had to get on with some other people.
That was fun, wasn't it? A couple of those drops is scary though.
Did you have fun?
Definitely scary.
Sissy's upset. She said you just got her in the stroller, not doing nothing. Come on, we're gonna go do something.
I got
for
the group of
Sissy.
4 people.
I know. Alright, this area here, no face mask. It's a nice area. Everybody can kind of play. Our kids are all different ages, so Jonathan's pulling me. He's like, Mom, it's a little cold in here. It's a little cold in here. Woo! Feeling. There, Mommy, it's cold.
Actually, it's a little bit warmer over here in the water.
I'm coming for you.
Not too deep.
I can put my head in the water, right?
Oh, I'm sorry.
She went under the baby went under the water for a second. So let's hope she actually wants to get back in. Jonathan is there. Chilling. Don't play, Jonathan. Alright. You okay, Mama?
We'll just make sure she don't go in that deep for water like that.
Water, right?
Just so she don't fall on you.
Not letting anybody else go.
He's like, nope.
He's like, oh, yeah, I'm telling all that. So the noise is a lot for him. It's loud, huh? He's still having fun. Hey, don't lick it. Why are you holding your nose? Jonathan, that's your favorite spot now? That's your favorite. He said, I swim by myself, Daddy. You don't want to hold his hand.
You'll learn, huh?
You don't want to hold his hand.
You're so mean. Going out to go to the slide. Okay.
Jonathan, what are you doing?
You ready?
I can't tell if she likes it or she's just thankful it's over. Oh my God.
Don't look as bad. Maybe look for this one. First one. In the water, but it's not the slide.
Why are you being mean to it? Didn't do nothing to you?
Ah!
That is not the cutest little kissy face in real life. Off to the water slide. Go. Loudly loves it. Something's wrong because she's coming back down. What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, what's that on? So she didn't have her goggles or bracelets or whatever in there. All this little stuff here. So pretty much no jewelry, which I told her I kind of understand. I guess it's a choking hazard, so up she goes. She's trying to get over that line right there to go over there with them at the slides are. No. Because she don't want to get on the slides. She just want to get play with the water coming out of the slides. There she is. What's up next? I think it's the red one. Yep, there she is. That was kind of slow motion coming out. She's doing good. Go, Bug! Let's see if he's actually... Jonathan! Jonathan! Alright, you gotta go or get off, but you can do it! You just gotta hold on! You can do... Oh, we're supposed to try it. He said no. Is she dancing? Shannon too with Jonathan? Interesting. Jonathan. There it is. job, buddy. Oh, and the other one.
It's okay.
Thanks, buddy. Alright guys, so I did not see a second place inside. I did see something that's at Maine, but nobody was working it for me to verify anything. So we'll have to come back another time because we did have to kind of leave a little bit early today anyway, so we weren't able to stay as long as we thought we were going to be able to stay. So we'll come back, but it was a really good day. Like, the weather was perfect, the crowd was light, kids had a good time. So I don't know, it wasn't like a hectic day either, so it was a really easy day, but the kids have fun, so that always counts. As far as Jonathan, he loves the water. He's a water baby, big sensory water kid, so that worked out good. But make sure you like and subscribe. That's about it for now. Bye.